Welcome. In this video, we will learn about object detection and tracking using OpenCV. Locating an object in successive frames of a video is called tracking. If you have no idea what is frames, then in just brief, what I can say about frames is each video has a frame rate which they called FPS, that is frames per second. Almost all of the movies you do watch are at 24 frames per second, and some high graphics movies are up to 60 FPS. So object detection is basically locating an object in successive frames of a video. The definition sounds straightforward, but in computer vision and machine learning, tracking is a very broad term that encompasses conceptually similar but technically different ideas. For example, there are various following different related ideas which are generally studied under object tracking. So in this course, we will see image analysis and video analysis. So in this section of the course, we will start by installing OpenCV, a very popular library for computer vision. We will discuss the concepts like frame difference, live object tracking with color identification, background subtraction, face and eye detection, and many more. The OpenCV library is used during this chapter. The OpenCV is a very strong library for dealing with image analysis and video analysis. So that's it in this video on introduction of object detection and tracking using OpenCV. In upcoming videos, we will see to install OpenCV and how to use OpenCV for doing image analysis and video analysis and object detection in different ways. Thank you for watching this video.